Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor. Let's see the first. Yeah, what's it done now? I'm a fan of the East Side crew. I East me come from. See? I'm, me love the whole thing. See? Yeah. But JADA Kingdom in a easy. You make me laugh. Yeah, in a easy at all. Don't tell you the lifestyle. Be a laugh, be a laugh. You why me a laugh? Me I say. The people them, the fan them, the public. From what I gather and gravitate still, I kind of get a kind of inkling to JADA Kingdom bisexual. See? I don't hear she admit it openly. I don't say she not admit it. I don't hear she admit it openly. See? But based on the history and certain arguments we hear on the street where she not challenge, you know? So when me hear the statement in regard to the boat ride now, I'm gonna check so well then she just basically like outline her interests, the type of people where she attracted to. You get what I say? Obviously if me I keep my party, my birthday party, I don't know. See, I'm single or otherwise engaged, I want to see some people where you have a choice. See? So when she says she want to say sexy pretty girl and them things, probably she'll look for people for just come to her party where she can just look on all night and catch her vibes. Or probably get somebody out of the crowd or something like that. See, probably she is a type of selection party. So what I say, well, she'll probably choose a partner, somebody for the night or something. You never know. See. But overall, other gravity that I get from the argument still. See. I don't make the woman all come from media come out and say she used to ugly one time. Me wonder, she say in her mind she used to ugly. Because I know, it's the whole family of them. I know the whole family of them from man. Yeah. Remember Raquel. Hey, the whole family of them pretty and sexy. The whole of the woman them in the family. Pretty and sexy. Yeah. So when me hear that, it kind of make me laugh, make me still a laugh. But still she clarify and say she did ugly outside because she did fat and them thing there. Probably a foreign she grew up. I wonder if a foreign she grew up. Probably, Because all them places, yeah, I see people have like concern about fat and them thing that I know say at Jamaica, you seen worse with the shape that she have right, associated shape from man. No doctor couldn't make that gear. See, worse with her some fat pan that, some more fat pan that are same weight or shape. See, and most man, majority man at Jamaica, jump on that straight. You get what I say? I'm say jump on the case. See? Try. See? I don't know about the girl them still. Again, probably a girl she did attracted to and a girl she want to see her certain way. See, because it sounds so to me. See, when she say she only wants to be a pretty girl and pretty people come on them for a snap and feel comfortable. I mean, she want to say, yeah, the people are come take a picture and a post side her. Probably enough man do them thing that's still enough people when the man keep them dance and them way enough man make them speech and them sort of indication the subliminally pan all the posters, pan all the flyers and the advert and them thing there. See it's a pretty girl or dress good girl and all them thing there. Nobody really say nothing about it. So I don't really see where the big controversy for. Not because of where she come from and thing like that. See, it just show a double standard with a chauvinistic mentality where they must say equal rights and thing like that and independence so the woman independent thoughts and feelings and thing like that. No pressure the woman because she decides say a pretty people she want to come and dance and when the man them says so nobody not say nothing. See. When you make it get to all of them, so the young lady all say she see somebody on road and kick them down and them thing there. Mama, don't follow them. Don't say them thing there. Don't mention them thing there in your thoughts. In your speech, some of them thing there. See, don't make it emotional override your professional intelligence. You see what I say? Because you don't know, I work, mama. Regardless, all when you make that speech there, the posting, I work, same way. See, it don't know you have an image to protect. See, the image is a cool, smooth, soulful voice Jamaican dancer, singer. You know what I say? In enough case, the emotion where you portray in your singing, in your art, and that characterization the people have a feel. You know, see, so when you're going to familiarize yourself certain way with certain things now, it detract from, because it don't match up, it don't add up with the nature of your character. You see what I say, Mama? Seeing, because somebody will love you, somebody will understand the message where you're sending at the invitation about the party and just laugh about it and say, yeah, them go all out with the makeup and all out with the brand, them for come. See, because them know where you're dealing. See, but when them hear you go mention, you see a girl a road and kick her down and them thing that, even though them know none of them the speech go for his head, them say, that's such a stay. Them one that them thing that will turn good people from you, even though one of them you deal it and them know none of them you deal it neither. See it. So you have to be conscientious in your speech, and when you're a woman of influence now, and you're a turn big woman, no longer a girl thing around there. See it. You have to see it. Because you don't know, everybody don't know your things set already. See it. You don't have to prove nothing, because he that exalted themselves always becomes a base. And you not have to exalt nothing. You know that. So don't do it. See it. Don't do it. Just deal with your art form. See it and give the people that which you promise. See it. And that them expect. Lovely, soulful reggae singer where you sing some nice little tune and them little thing there. See it. I'm not getting the contents of your tune still, but still the quality of your talent, seeing, is, you don't know. The quality is by standard, see it. Coming to putting the whole thing together is still a work in progress, see it. One of them day you never know, you find the right manager, right producer, and them get the right staff around you and thing like that, and set a agenda for you. See it, where you can focus on and know say a money you deal it. See, because a money or a gangster or whatever. See, Mama, and wine, because you have the thing down to a T. See. I don't feel no way about the invite and the invitation and how people want to take it. We know I be a pretty girl. Gay girl look for pretty girl too. Bisexual girl look for pretty girl. Now this is not an endorsement or a denunciation of certain practices. Seeing I have a personal opinion and everybody entitled to for them own. See, what I say, I give my opinion of the message what I get from the posting where she make in regards to our party, our boat ride we keep. See, so catch my drift and don't get it twisted and come with no idiot comment. See, comment, share, like, and subscribe, see, make we have a discussion, because you don't know. But Mama JADA Kingdom, see, you not have to kick down nobody, man, and you never yet ugly. There was never a second in your life where you did ugly. Just no. Okay, that thing I don't be alarm. You can't stop laughing. Idiot thing that. I know.